everyone, my name is Jadhav and I am a student of the advanced level at the Paragon Academy, Badin. Today I am going to speak about artificial intelligence or AI. Maybe you have heard about artificial intelligence or maybe you not. So, artificial intelligence is a kind of technology of intelligent machines. How we can explain it, or what we mean by intelligent machines? We can take example of human brains or human minds. That how it is able to think, how it is able to do anything. It doesn't need any kind of source to do it. In this way, the scientists are making such things which resembles to human minds, they are making such things which are able to do everything automatically on their own. They doesn't need any kind of source to be operated or to be proceeded, like robots. Robots are also a kind of we can say artificial intelligence. Even today world, artificial intelligence is existing. We are using ChatGPT, and even robots are also existing in today's world. You will observe in some foreign countries who are very advanced, and in these countries, in many hotels, there are robots who are serving as a waiter. I have seen that on social media, and means I mean to say that into the future will be totally of artificial intelligence, or the upcoming word is only of artificial intelligence, that humans will be replaced by intelligent machines. Laborers are, like today the laborers are working in factories or industries. Tomorrow, after in future, the robots will be these laborers will be replaced by robots. The robots will do all activities that humans are doing today. A teacher is teaching tomorrow, or in future the robot will teach students. In many other fields in which the humans are contributing today, tomorrow in these fields the robots will contribute. So thank you.